Let me show you the way that you cancel your Netflix subscription. If you don't want to pay to Netflix anymore and you want to cancel out its subscription, in today's video, let me show you how. If this video sounds helpful to you, make sure you watch it until the end and let's get straight into it. Let's head over to the app of Netflix. Once you're inside of the homepage of Netflix, all you need to do is head over to the profile section, which is on the top right of the screen. Once you're inside of your profile section, make sure you tap on the three lines at the top right so that this menu opens up. From this menu, you'll need to head over to the option which says account. Inside of your account settings in Netflix, if you scroll down a bit, you'll see a section called cancel membership. The cancel membership option should be just beneath the card that you've added in, so make sure you tap on cancel membership. And lastly, it's going to show you the exact date the next payment is going to be due. So before this date hits, you just want to tap on finish cancellation and the cancellation of your Netflix account will be cancelled. This way you won't get charged on this particular date. So that's all it takes to cancel your Netflix subscription. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next one.